In this video, I'll show you how you can create an Amazon wish list, which you can then share to people, and then if they wanted to, they could buy these products for you and they'll be shipped to your address. You can do this all without giving your address to these people, so make sure you stay until the end so I can show you the settings that you need to enable so you don't give your address to random people. So the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and go to Amazon. Once you're on Amazon, you then want to go, obviously you need to log in, but you then want to go to where it says hello and your name in the top right hand corner. Then go to create a list. Now once you're here, if you haven't already, make sure you signed into Amazon, so I'll do that now. Okay, so here we are inside of my lists. It might not show like this for you because I've already created a list, but what you need to do is go to create list in the top right hand corner. Then that will give you the option to create a wish list. So I'll create a list and I'll just call it something like wish list. Okay, so now I've done that, we can now create a list. Okay, so now once we're on your lists, you'll see all of your lists here on the left, and you can obviously choose which one that you want to add products to. Now, the first thing that what I would do is I would manage the list settings. So if you go ahead and go to more here and go to manage list, and there are some settings here that you need to change. Once I've showed you what to change here, I'll then show you real quick how you can add products to this wish list. So right now mine is on private, but I'm going to set it to public. And then if I scroll down here, you can see the list is for me. Here is my recipient name. Now scrolling down again, you can add a description if you want. Now if you want people to be able to buy these products for you, if you want people to be able to go to your wish list, buy the product, and then Amazon send it to your address, you need to go ahead and add your shipping address here. So by default, it's going to be on none. If you click on this, it will open up your addresses, and you then need to choose the address, which is obviously your address. Now, there's going to be a button here which is very crucial. You don't want to click on share my shipping address with sellers, because what this will do is it will share your address with people who are buying it. And if you're sending it to random people on the internet, you don't want that. This does mean though that people can only buy products from Amazon directly and not third-party sellers, but it's just a trade-off which is essential in my opinion. If you scroll down even more, you can see here, don't spoil my surprises is checked. And you can also, if you want to, let buyers ship additional items which aren't on the list, so I'll check that. We can then save changes to this list. So now we've got a list set up, you can see it now says it's public. And now what we're going to do is search for a product. So if I go to Amazon, I just type in iPhone. For the sake of the video, we'll just add this iPhone 12. Then to add it to your list, what you want to do is scroll down, and on the right here, you'll see add to list. So you can go ahead and click on this. Then it will load up all of your lists. Obviously, add it to the right list. I'm adding it to wish list. And you can see it's now being added to our list. We can now view our list. And here is our wish list. Now let's send it to other people. Now we need to click on send list to others, which is this button here on the right. You can then invite someone only to view. If you click on this one, they can view and edit products, which you probably don't want. So view only, copy link. And now if we go into an incognito window, you can paste in the link and you can send this to someone however you'd like. But here is your list and somebody else can buy stuff from it. I hope that video did help you out. If you've got any questions, put them in the comment section below.